One of the most anticipated na phone ni Oppo nandito na sa ating studio, and this is the Oppo Reno 13 5G. Ano nga meron dito? MediaTek Dimensity 8350, 50MP na triple camera setup, 50MP na front-facing camera. Malaki ang battery, 5,600 mAh and can support up to 80 watts na superbook charging. Magugulat na lang kayo sa presyo. Alamin natin after this quick intro. Now, itong Oppo Reno 13 5G na may 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage would come at a price point ng 34,999. I know it's not cheap, so alamin muna natin kung worth it nga ba ang 35,000 pesos mo dito o hindi. But if you're interested to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito, link on the description box below. Now, pagdating sa form factor, I would say same sila across all three na Reno 13 series, 13F, 13, and 13 Pro. Ang likod niya mukhang iPhone-ish ang kanyang design, flat na flat and matte finish ang kanyang likod. So definitely walang fingerprint smudges. And ang kanyang camera bump mukhang pinaliit ng konti na iPhone 16 series na camera bump. This one has aluminum frames, glass back, and harap niya is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. And by the way, this is IP68, IP69 dust, and water resistance. And pinagmamalaki ni Oppo na pwede mo itong gamitin underwater photography. But I would suggest, please, don't try it. Pag once na nagkaroon to ng water damage, sasabihin lang ni Oppo Service Center sa'yo, sorry, water damage is not part of the warranty. Ikaw lang talo pag nilublog mo to. Now, this phone is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 and binigyan siya ng 1.30 million na Antutu benchmark score. Ito ang kanyang breakdown score. 2,800 ang kanyang loop score sa Wildlife Extreme and 34% ang kanyang stability. Ito ang score na nakuha natin sa Geekbench, kanyang CPU benchmark, and ito ang kanyang GPU benchmarking. Well, medyo rocky ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 75% ang kanyang best performance. Now, pagdating naman sa battery, this one malaki ka ng battery. 5,600 mAh. It can last you a whole day without even charging. Basta you're using it normally, wala kang magiging problema dito. Matipid naman siya sa battery. That I would say. And it can fast charge up to 80 watts of superbook charge. And there are times na medyo mabagal siya mag-charge. Pansin ko. But most of the time naman pa rin-charge ka dito, kaya naman mabilis, no? Using its superbook charge. Pero there are times na parang siguro nag-trickle siya pagdating sa mga 70%. Now, pagdating sa display, this one has a 6.59-inch na AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate, 1,200 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. And meron siyang 90% na screen-to-body ratio, and this one is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. If you're browsing through socials dito, I would say smooth naman siya thanks to its high refresh rate. And pag nanood ka naman ng YouTube videos dito on this phone, I would say maganda ang kanyang display. That I would honestly agree. And by the way, itong phone na ito is running ColorOS 15 inside Android version 15. Now, nag-try ako maglaro ng dalawang games dito, Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Farlight 84, maganda naman kanyang graphics. I would say na smooth naman ang gameplay ko dito, setting it to medium graphical settings. And I would say na yung touch response is quite good. Siguro, one thing na medyo nabibitin ako sa kanya dito is hindi lang super big ang kanyang screen at 6.59. But nevertheless, I would say na the game is quite smooth. Naglaro ako ng 3 rank match dito dahil okay naman kanyang gameplay. And halos minimal lang lags naman dito sa kanya. Wala akong na-feel na heavy na lags dito sa game na ito. And playing after 30 minutes, inabot ako ng 43 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinagad-sagad ko rin ang graphical settings hanggang sa max na kaya niya. And okay ang kanyang gameplay. Touch response is good. The gameplay is good. Yung kanyang graphics is definitely okay. And the sound is quite decent as well. Playing rank matches dito sa kanya is definitely good. Kahit medyo marami na kayo nagbabakbakan, wala naman na feel na frame drops. And pinakamainin na achieve ko dito after 30 minutes of gameplay is 43 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan natin ang camera dito sa Oppo Reno 13. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and 8MP na ultra-wide lens with 115 degrees na field of view. Plus, meron din siya 2MP na depth sensor. This one can let you shoot up to 4K and 60, and ang kanyang harap is a 50MP na shooter which can also let you shoot up to 4K and 60. Now, quickly tingnan natin some shots na nakuha natin from the Reno 13 5G. Now, and looking at some of the outdoor shot na nakuha natin, though hindi ko naman hawak to for quite a long time, so I was able to take some quick snaps. And looking at this one, mukhang okay naman siya, no? It's a kind of sharp naman siya pag zoom in mo mga details dito sa figure na ito while I was walking and trying to take some of these shots while the car is running at around mga 20 kilometers per hour. Makita natin, no, medyo soft, no? Medyo walang detail to mga leaves na nakuha natin while the car is traveling. But if you take a look naman dito sa billboard sa Cloverleaf Ayala, okay naman, no? Looks sharp naman. And taking a quick snap naman while on the road, I think okay naman mga details kahit sa cloud. May kunting details na mga nakikita. If we bring it indoor, I was able to get some good snaps naman dito sa mga mugs na ito. Makita mo naman yung separation ng subject from the background is okay. And taking some of this bean shot, okay naman siya. Pero pag zoom in mo, mukhang hindi na siya ganun ka-detailed. And nilaro din naman natin ng ultra-wide lens. This is a ultra-wide shot, 1x and 2x zoom. Clear pa rin after 2x zoom. Taking a quick snap naman while in the coffee shop. Okay naman kanyang ambience. Now, I'm trying to take some photo naman ng mga tao. Mukhang okay siya at first glance. But if you zoom it in, kita mo ang labo na ng mukha. Walang ka-detail. Detail is very smudgy. This is the problem dito sa Oppo Reno 13 5G na nakita ko ni-review ng ibang mga paid na tech reviewers. Equally said din dito sa photo na ito. Makita mo, dalagang smudgy, very soft. And walang ka-detail ang mukha nito. Now, checking ka na front-facing camera, pag hindi mo zoom, it looks okay. But if you zoom it in, makita mo, ay, ang soft naman na itong photo na ito. Walang details and looks quite smudgy na aking mukha. Now, if you look at this one, this is a little bit better. May konting details, but still, I'm not that convinced. And further taking some more shots, mukhang hindi rin talagang kanais-nais ang mga shots na nakuha ko dito sa front-facing camera ng Oppo Reno 13 5G. Medyo soft siya. Now, shooting at 4K and 60, this is the resolution na nakuha natin dito. Looks quite decent naman and medyo impressive naman ang front-facing camera pagdating sa video. If you're trying yung kanyang rear camera, medyo shaky siya, mauga siya. I wasn't really expecting from the Reno 13, no, given its price point. Though the resolution is okay, but yung kanyang stability is quite bad. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Oppo Reno 13 5G? Now pagdating sa quality ng pictures, I'm not so convinced dito sa phone na ito. You can buy a lot of other phones at 35,000 pesos which is going to give you more value to your money. Let's say si Vivo V40, I would say that it can perform better than this phone. Bakit? Mas magandang ka ng camera pagdating sa portrait shots. This one isn't really that good pag kukuha ka ng mga picture ng mga tao. Pag zoom in mo, makikita mo it's quite blurry and smudgy as well. Overall, okay naman ang feels ko dito sa Oppo Reno 13 5G, except that I would say that it's overpriced. Siguro pag pinesyo na at around mga 24,000 pesos, it's just the right amount for its performance. Kaya guys, ano masasabi nyo dito sa Oppo Reno 13 5G? Let me know in the comments if you like this video. Don't forget to share it to your friends. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili din to, link on the description. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.